Reality star and singer Tesekhi cooks a delicious breakfast for her friends and staff members.
Y'all know I'm up in here cooking. It's our last meal in Cleveland. Getting me and my sister Anha right. We got the seasonings, girl. Oh, come on in my kitchen. We got turkey bacon. I'm about to actually lay this turkey bacon out on a tray. This is what I do when I ain't breaking faces. I'm chefing it up for my team. You know what I mean? We're sitting here coming back.
Oh, I know what I got in your room.
It what?
It's down.
You don't even have.
Wait, where's my light? It's down.
Now Tesekhi is in the middle of filming a new season of Baddies Midwest. The ladies have been spotted flying around America, turning up city to city.
My English is not very good. If you like that. This season, my English is not very good.
Not very good.
Watch out, roll behind you. Watch out.
Goddess Vision TV, celebrating feminine energy. Thanks for watching.